In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ask a question on Udemy. Udemy is an incredible learning platform with a vast amount of courses on offer, covering everything from web development to personal development and beyond. However, as you're diving into these courses, you might find yourself having questions or needing further explanations on certain topics. That's where the ability to ask questions directly on Udemy becomes invaluable. So, if you're wondering exactly how to go about doing this, you're in the right place. First things first, to interact with course materials fully, including asking questions, you need to be logged into your Udemy account. So, let's get started by navigating to the Udemy homepage. Once there, you'll see a login button located on the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will bring you to the login page. For those who prefer a streamlined process or possibly a bit of a shortcut, Udemy offers the option to log in using your Google account. This is particularly handy for those who want to manage fewer passwords or appreciate the convenience of using Google's suite of services. Look for the Google icon on the login page and click on it. This will direct you to a page where you can choose your Google account for a quicker login experience. Simply select the account you wish to use and Google will handle the rest, securely logging you into Udemy. Once logged in, you're going to want to navigate to the My Learning section. This is essentially your learning dashboard where you can access all the courses you're enrolled in. You can find the My Learning option easily, usually located at the top of the page or within a user menu depending on how Udemy's layout might have evolved. Within the My Learning area, you'll now see a list or grid of courses you're currently taking. Go ahead and click on the particular course you have a question about. This will take you into the course content where you can browse through lectures, resources and more. The next step is to locate the announcements section. This is a space within each course where instructors can communicate important information, updates, and where students like you can ask questions or start discussions. Once you've found and clicked on announcements, you're now ready to engage directly with the course instructor and fellow students. This brings us to the part where you actually ask your question. In the announcements section, there should be an area dedicated to comments or a question and answer space. This is where you can type in your question or share your thoughts. When typing your question, try to be as clear and concise as possible. Remember, the more specific you are, the easier it will be for the instructor or other students to provide a helpful answer. Once you've typed in your question, simply post it. Depending on the course settings, your question might appear instantly or may need approval from the instructor. Either way, once your question is up, all that's left is to wait for a response. You can check back in on the announcements section or keep an eye on your email notifications, as Udemy will typically notify you when your question has been answered. To sum up, asking a question on Udemy is a straightforward process that enriches your learning experience by allowing you to seek clarifications and delve deeper into your course material. Remember to first log in, navigate to your course through My Learning, go to the announcements section, and then post your question in the comments or Q&A area. With these steps, you're all set to actively participate in your Udemy courses, making the most out of your learning journey. I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't hesitate to ask questions. It's a fantastic way to engage with your courses on a deeper level. Happy learning, and until next time, keep exploring and expanding your knowledge base with Udemy.